If you're considering purchasing Social Boost for your business, there are some crucial things you need to know before taking the leap. Social Boost promises to skyrocket your social media engagement, but is it really the best option for you? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you're getting into and how it stacks up against its competitors. First off, it's important to highlight that Social Boost offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to enhance your social media presence. But does it actually work as promised? The platform helps automate and optimize your social media marketing, but it's not magic. Unlike competitors, which might offer limited functionality for one social media platform, Social Boost shines because it integrates multiple platforms. You get an all-in-one solution for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and more, making it convenient for businesses to manage everything in one place. Next thing, Social Boost prides itself on user-friendly automation, but automation can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it saves you time and effort by scheduling posts, managing engagement, and even running automated campaigns. But the risk is that it could lose the personal touch in your interactions. Some competitors like Buffer and Hootsuite focus more on providing tailored insights and analytics, but Social Boost puts more emphasis on action, offering streamlined tools for fast results. If you're looking for something that just works without too much setup, Social Boost delivers. The third thing to consider is pricing. Social Boost offers a free trial that lets you test its features before you commit. A lot of software in this space hides their true pricing until you've already started using it, but Social Boost gives you the chance to evaluate it fully. Compare this with other platforms that lock key features behind expensive paywalls. Social Boost's pricing is transparent and flexible, making it a solid choice for businesses of all sizes. Now, let's talk about growth and engagement. Social Boost does a great job of helping you grow your followers, but it's important to be aware of the strategies it employs. While it helps with organic growth, some methods, such as automated interactions, might not always yield the most authentic results. Social media platforms like Instagram are cracking down on automated engagement, so you'll need to be cautious. Social Boost balances automation with organic reach better than most, but if you're looking for pure organic strategies, you may want to explore other options. The fifth thing that stands out about Social Boost is its analytics. Having insights into your social media performance is critical for making data-driven decisions, and this tool doesn't disappoint. It offers detailed analytics that track engagement, audience growth, and even content performance across platforms. Competitors like Sprout Social might offer similar features, but Social Boost's data visualization tools are much easier to digest for newcomers to social media marketing. Next thing to keep in mind is customer support. Social Boost provides 24/7 customer support, which is a massive bonus, especially if you're new to social media management. Many competitors either charge extra for premium support or limit it to business hours. The availability of round-the-clock support ensures you're never left in the dark, whether you're troubleshooting or just learning how to maximize the software. Lastly, Social Boost can be a game changer when it comes to scaling your social media efforts. If you're looking to take your marketing to the next level, this platform gives you the ability to run multiple campaigns simultaneously, monitor results in real time, and adapt quickly. If you're using several separate tools to manage your social media, Social Boost's all-in-one approach will save you time and potentially increase your return on investment compared to using multiple services. To sum it up, Social Boost is a powerful tool that offers a blend of automation, analytics, and ease of use. If you're looking for a platform to help you scale your social media efforts with minimal effort, it's worth giving Social Boost a try. And remember, if you want to test it out for yourself, click the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial and some extra perks.